First of all, a very pleasant good morning to one and all. I'd like to give a huge thanks to all the dignitaries presented here. I'm Ashad Ali. I was born and brought up in Green City, Bhagwa, and currently I'm here to present my presentation on the topic, the future of agriculture. It is a very critical topic, but before that, I would like to ask some details that why we are here. We all are gathering here. That had a reason. That has a valuable reason. We all are here for our survival of fittest. And the survival of fittest is only happening because of agriculture. We get the right food. We get to know the right cultivation. We get to know the healthy. Healthier the food, the healthier the planet, the healthier the world, the healthier the population. Once the first president of the United States of America, George Washington said, agriculture is the best, is the most powerful, healthier, and the most best employment for the men. That's why agriculture is not just a passion, it's a way of life that feeds, nourish, and conserve humanity. The future of agriculture.
न्यूज़ पहले बना लो।
The future of agriculture is a very critical
चले जाओ
topic.
ऊपर। मैं ये अमितेश साथ में चले जाओ।
The future of agriculture is a very critical topic and societal changes. We all living in 2024 and we get to know that the world population is increasing day by day. We had a threat that at least the emerging of 2050, we had a double of our population. So for the population, the demand of food will also increase. If we have the coming generation, they also want food. They also need some good food, right food. And the population with demand for food will increase, requiring innovation, how we produce, how we conserve, and how we ensure our agriculture products from precision farming only and from the biotechnology and sustainable practice, we can ensure food security for our generation to come. The upcoming generation that is yet to come, they also need the right food, the right health, and all the things that we are going through. After all that discussion, we also need some methods to develop all these things. And in past decade, several studies have been studied to address critical issues in our agriculture. What type of problem we are gonna face, what type of issues we gonna relate, all type of critical issues in agriculture to improve agricultural production for our food security. The primary application, wireless sensors and cervical hierarchy that are advanced technological used to measure, monitor, measure application to improve crop production. I had categorized the advanced agriculture in three parts. The first one is monitoring application. In monitoring application, we get to know about soil moisture, soil health, crop disease, and animal population as well as machineries too. And in the next part, I had concluded the services. The services that gonna implement is our irrigation, soil preparation, and fertilizers, pesticide, fungicides, crop yield, herbicide, and crop storage that are all gonna come on the services. And after that, sensor. The sensor plays a major role in the future of agriculture, in the future of technology. The sensor played a very crucial and the critical role. That is, with the help of sensor, we get to know about temperature, leaf, stem, fruit size, root, estrus, animals, and animals feed intake. That are the major applications. After that, after the method, after we had get to know about the method, we need some equipment and technology to go on the field, to grow on the field, to go to the practical session. We need some tools, equipments, and technology. And for the major technology, I mean by traditional agriculture, by heavy machineries like harvester, tractor, rotavator, seed drilling, that all come in the category of major equipment. And if we are talking about the technology, we means massive robots, we means image sensing, GPS, GIS technology, and the best technology uses at our hand is smartphone. In today's generation, every one of you had your smartphone on your hand. That is the biggest technology we ever had. And with the help of a smartphone, we are not only conserving the food, not only conserving the agriculture, we will conserving our future technology and future upcoming. And the major technology that I had, sensors, the smartphone sensors we are going to use in that, image sensors, camera, accelerometer, GPS, microphone, gyroscope, and inertial sensor and barometer. They had their separate uses. They had their wide uses in the agricultural technology. After that, where we can find all these details, where we can find our sensor, as I said earlier, where we can find all these things, we can find there are lots of apps, application on our smartphone, on our hand. That is Data FA, Land PKS, Pocket Live, Ameka devices, eFarm, EcoFort, AgriMaps. These all are the major essential applications that are used, that are going to use in our agricultural technology in the future of agriculture. Next is the conclusion. After all that brief, we had come at point. What was the conclusion? The future of agriculture. It is not just about producing more and more food. Agriculture is never about producing food. It about producing better food for the in a better way, for a better world, by leveraging technology, promoting sustainability, and supporting rural development. We can create a more prosperous, equitable, and food secure future for me and you all. Thank you so much for having me here. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Asad Ali, for your presentation.